If you want to give your video a completely different look in just a few clicks, learning how to add filters in CapCut is one of the easiest ways to do it. Filters can help you create a cinematic mood, make colors pop, soften the image, or give your footage a more stylized social media look. And the best part is, you do not need any advanced editing skills to get started. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add filters on CapCut Video using CapCut PC, step by step. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open your project in CapCut PC. If you already have a project started, go ahead and load it up. If not, create a new project and bring in the video you want to edit. Once your project is open, make sure your video is placed on the timeline. The timeline is where all of your editing happens, so this is the main clip you'll be working with. Now that your video is in the timeline, click on the video clip to select it. This is an important step because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to edit. If the clip is not selected, the filter options may not apply to the right section of your project, so simply click once on the clip and make sure it is highlighted. Next, look at the top panel in CapCut and click on Filters. This will open the filter section where CapCut gives you a variety of styles to choose from. Depending on the version you're using, you may see different filter categories such as basic filters, cinematic looks, warm tones, cool tones, and more. Take a moment to browse through the available filter categories so you can find the style that best matches your video. Once you find a filter you like, click on it to apply it to your selected video clip. As soon as you click the filter, you should see the effect appear on your video instantly. This makes it very easy to test different looks without committing too much time. If the first filter doesn't feel right, just keep browsing and try another one until you find the perfect match for your footage. After applying the filter, you can fine-tune how strong it looks by using the intensity slider in the right panel. This is where you can make the filter more subtle or more dramatic. If your video already has strong colors, a lower intensity might look more natural. If you want a bold stylized effect, you can increase the intensity to make the filter stand out more. Adjusting this slider is a great way to keep your edit looking polished instead of overdone. Now comes the most important part. Previewing your video. Play it back and watch how the filter affects the overall look of the clip. Check the skin tones, the brightness, the shadows, and the color balance. Sometimes a filter looks great on the preview thumbnail, but feels too strong when the full video is playing. That's why it's always a good idea to preview the whole section and make small adjustments if needed. If the filter is too heavy, lower the intensity. If the footage still feels plain, try a different filter category altogether. The goal is to choose a filter that enhances your video without distracting from the content. For example, vlogs often look better with soft, natural filters, while travel clips and cinematic edits may work well with richer contrast and deeper colors, and that's it. You've now learned how to add filters on CapCut Video using CapCut PC. Just open your project, select your clip, click Filters, choose a style, adjust the intensity, and preview the final result. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference in the overall quality and feel of your edit. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.